The next question says, a firm in a purely competitive industry has a typical cost structure. The normal rate of profit in the economy is 8%. This firm is earning $15 in every $150 invested by its founders. Instructions: enter your answer as whole numbers. A, what is its percentage rate of return? B, is the firm earning an economic profit? If so, how large and what percentage? C, what was industry C entry or exit? D, what will be the rate of return earned by firms in this industry once the industry reaches long-run equilibrium? So the first question part says, what is its percentage rate of return? Well, founders put in $150 into this into this business, and they expect for every $150 they put in, they will get $15 back. So the rate of return, the return is $15. The initial investment is $150. 15 divided by 150, you're gonna get 10%, right? So that's the answer to the first question, and the previous tutor agrees. Second, is this firm earning an economic profit? If so, how large and what percent? So we can compare the firm's earning a 10% returns on its investment to the normal rate of profit in this economy at 8%. And so we can say that they're clearly earning super normal profit levels, right? They've beaten the market rate of 8% and they've beaten it by 2%. So the economic profit they're making is, I guess, an extra 2%. I'm not sure exactly how the way the question is phrased, what kind of figure we're looking for, but they're making 10% and they've beaten the regular rate by 2%. So the previous year said, clearly the firm is earning economic profit in the short run compared to a normal profit 8%. The company is currently earning 11% of its. I think this is a typo. I think they mean 10% here. So we're earning economic profit of 2%. So we're going to correct that in the answer choices. I'll say the company is currently earning 10%. So they're beating the normal profit rate by 2%. Okay. C says, will this industry see entry or exit? And so what we're going to see in this industry is an entry, right? Other firms are going to look at this firm and say, hold on, they're able to make like every other industry is making 8%. In this industry, people are making 10%. Let's enter this industry, right? It's an opportunity to make super normal profits. And so you'll see more and more firms entering this industry. And what happens is that's going to increase the supply of goods in this market and drive down the price that firms are able to demand. And overall, that's going to start lowering the rate of return as the revenue from each unit of goods sold in this industry goes down, right? But for the short term, at least, we see entry into the market for sure. And the previous tutor said, we will see other firms entering the market. The long-term rate of return is a normal profit of 8%. This industry will see some new entrants. This process will continue until the profit returns to 8%, any economic profit disappears. And this is true, right? As more firms enter the market, the rate of return is going to go down, and more firms will continue to enter the market until there's no more super normal profit and you're at 8%. At that point in time, firms will stop entering the market because it's just like every other industry available. And finally, D, what will be the rate of return earned by firms in this industry once the industry reaches a long-run equilibrium? And again, we know that the normal rate of profits in this economy is 8%. In the long run, we would expect that after all the entrants into this market, that the normal rate of returns in this market would also be 8%. So the long-term rate of return is a normal profit of 8%. So great. So we've agreed on most part. I think there's a typo. We're going to mark this as incorrect, so this gets corrected. But other than that, that was a good answer.